Okay, well,
I came to where I'm parked.
Where is your truck?
Why? I don't need to answer your question.
Listen to it, sir. We had more calls since then.
You go find them. I didn't call
I read
you.
the report that she made to us. You read her report. This is the report she made to you guys. You read this? That her elbow was broken, that she had marks. Did you see any of that on the video?
Is there a reason why?
Yeah, you just can't ride four-wheelers in Stone Mountain Park without a helmet.
Actually, the guy told me I could. The worker here.
What guy?
In one of them buggies, in one of the side-by-sides.
Like
He
an
told me I
employee?
could, yeah.
Okay, that is incorrect. You can't ride four-wheelers. These are state roads, just like any road in the state of Georgia.
Well, I wasn't really riding on the road. I was riding on the sidewalk and on the
You can't
trail.
ride four-wheelers on the sidewalk.
Is there
Like that. Where did
paperwork?
Yeah, we can use paperwork. I can get my ticket book. I'll be right back. You got your driver's license on you?
Is there any
you
probable
drive
cause for me to?
Probable cause, yeah.
You're riding a four-wheeler
Yeah,
on the
let me
sidewalk
get-
and on
let me
the
get
road.
some-
No, but I mean, I put it away.
Where's
Did
it
you?
at? It's right there.
Yeah, I'm about to load it up.
Alright, look, do you have a trailer?
No, it's my truck.
It's in your is that your truck? Where's your truck?
Do I have to tell you which my truck? I just told you I'm about to put it away. I came back to where I'm fishing.
Okay. Well, I'm asking you to load it back in your truck.
Yeah.
And then you can.
If I don't ride it, then there's no reason for y'all to get my driver's license.
Obviously, listen, I'm going to let you ride it from. How are you? Okay. I'm obviously going to let you ride it from there to wherever you parked. One of these, I'm guessing, is your truck.
No, you're not gonna let me. I'm gonna.
Okay. Yes,
You're not
going
gonna
to, but
let
you
me.
can't legally ride it in the park.
And I said okay. I
Okay.
told the police I was gonna put it up, and she let me know that I couldn't ride it, so I came straight back.
Okay.
You found me where I'm at. So can y'all guys go ahead and move along?
Well,
But I don't know why somebody called y'all and said
Look, we
I was driving
keep-
recklessly through the truck,
we
and I
keep
was
getting
not.
calls on it. That's why we're here. I'm not.
And then go talk to them. Don't come
Right,
talk to
well,
me.
You're the one that's breaking.
Go talk to
the
them. They
ordinance, not
called.
us.
They're
Okay.
the one with the worries. I'm not the one with the worries.
You're the one that keeps.
Go
riding
find
the
them.
four-wheeler
Go find them and
in
talk
the
to
place
them.
that's
They're the
not
ones that
legal
called.
to call, to ride
Who
a
called,
four-wheeler.
sir?
I don't know who.
And then go find them. I don't have no problem. I didn't call you guys, so why would you guys come to me?
You are the problem. We're asking that you don't.
I
ride it
solved the
anymore.
problem. The officer said I couldn't. I came in trying to put it up.
All right. So you're gonna put it up?
What is he doing?
Are you gonna put it up? So you done riding it?
I didn't. I just said that.
Okay. Well then put it up.
Why do I have to put it up when you're here?
Because you're the one riding it illegally. We keep getting calls and complaints.
I'm not
on
even gonna turn on anymore. I can push it to where I'm gonna load it.
it. Okay.
There's no reason for you to check my stuff anyways. That's
I'll
part
look at the bin. I was going to say.
I don't care what you're looking at. I said you couldn't. You didn't ask me.
I don't
That's a
have to
search.
ask you.
That's a search right there.
This is the United States of America. I can
Yeah,
get anything.
exactly, right?
So, where's
So
your
you're
truck
violating
at?
my rights for you asking me for an
Where's your
ID.
truck at?
He's gonna load it.
I'm
in
not
his truck.
asking you.
Well, go get your truck.
I'm not
and
telling
go load
you.
it up.
You're
and
not
don't
telling
ride
me
it on
what
the
to do,
road.
sir.
I just did.
I can go ahead and leave the bar as soon as y'all leave.
You That's a good idea.
Yeah, as soon as y'all
You
leave.
do that.
Am I free to go?
Yeah.
I'm free to stay.
Go get your truck, load it up.
I'm free to stay then, right?
What's that?
I'm free to stay, right?
Well,
If I'm free to go,
you're
then-
about to get ejected from the park.
You can do whatever you want, sir.
I'm not. I'll do what needs to be done.
Oh,
But what you're going to do is, like you said, you're free
okay,
to
I'm done
leave.
talking.
Go get your materials.
free
Go
to
get
leave.
your truck.
Free to
put
stay,
your-
right?
Put your dirt
You're
bike
free to
in
stay
it or
as long
whatever
as
it
you're not
is.
riding a four-wheeler.
Am I free to leave?
Yeah,
I'm free to stay.
You are free to stay.
Y'all can
As
go
long as
ahead
you're
and
not
go.
riding a
Y'all can go
four-wheeler.
ahead and go, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, so you're going to go get
Have
your
a wonderful
four-wheeler and
day.
put it in the truck?
Have a wonderful day, sir.
I hope you have a great day too, but go get
All right.
your four-wheeler and put it in the truck. We're going to make sure this is taken care of.
What's your name and your badge number, sir?
My badge number is 117, Mark.
Don't get in my face like that.
Oh, I just wanted to make sure you heard it.
You're really close.
So where's your truck at?
Hey, you got my keys.
Right, where's your truck at?
Can I have
That's
my
to keep
keys?
you from riding off.
That's my property. You got my property now?
Yeah, where's your truck at?
Can you have a business card?
No, I don't have
No,
a business
you got a
card.
business
You got
card?
your truck.
You do? Can I get
Yeah.
one? Thank you
Where's
so
your
much,
truck
sir.
at, bud? We're trying to make this easy and simple. All you got to do is
I told her I'm gonna put it up.
Okay, well,
I came to where I'm parked.
Where is your truck?
Why? I don't need to answer your questions.
Take your key, put it in there. Where's your
Don't
truck?
tell me
But you
what to do.
can't-
Just tell me
listen,
give my property,
Listen
sir.
to me. Here's your key. Take it and put
Look,
it in there.
have my
put it
property.
in your truck. Okay?
Without any consent or him confiscating my property, he took my keys off
I'm
my
giving you the
property.
benefit of the doubt because I was going to
Listen,
take it see if
sir.
it was stolen. Okay, if you want to continue to
Stolen.
push this effort, if you want to continue to push this, you can make it worse
Go
on
run
yourself.
it to-
We're
run
trying
the
to be
bin.
nice.
Run
We're
the
saying
bin.
you can go on your way.
Run the
All you
bin.
have to do
Go ahead and run the
is
bin.
go get that thing and put it in your truck.
Run the bin if you think it's
And don't
stolen.
ride
Do
it
your
on the
job
road
then.
anymore.
Don't come bother
Can
me.
you do that?
Don't bother me.
Can you do
Run your
that?
time.
Listen.
I already said. I don't know why. Don't talk to
Yeah,
them.
they're
Don't talk to
together, I
them.
think so.
Don't talk to them.
That's all you gotta do. That's all we're asking.
You can.
I told her I'm gonna put it up.
Okay, we'll go put it up.
What did I say, ma'am?
You said you would put it up.
All right,
It's not
man.
up yet. Where are you parked?
Right here.
Okay, go ahead and put it up.
All right, I'll put it up whenever I leave. Whenever y'all leave.
Yes. That's all he has to do.
I don't have. I won't ride it no more. I won't turn it on no more. I
That's
promise
it.
you. Like I told
There you
her.
go.
All right, you got it.
Perfect.
Thank you guys.
Perfect.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you
All right,
guys.
get back up.
Just don't
Go
let
ahead.
any more put it in your truck. You'll be good to go.
Sir, what's your name and your badge number? Name and badge number?
156.
156. What's your name?
All right.
Mac. Beck.
B-E-C.
You got a business card?
No,
We don't have business cards.
You don't have a business card? How come he has one?
Because
You should all have one.
It's a universal one. It has our
Fuck. This is not yours? Yeah, this here. This David Hill. He got
all you
one.
gotta do, don't ride it on the streets anymore.
You
Don't
tell
ride
me
it
what
on
to
the
do,
road
man.
anymore.
You done?
Go get it. put it
Yeah.
in your truck,
Yeah, whatever.
Take off.
Yeah, okay, cool.
You put it? You good?
All right, whenever y'all leave.
Adios. Take off, man.
Bye.
You're good.
Bye. See you later.
See ya.
Bye.
You're not walking away.
You aren't either.
Hey, you got a YouTube channel?
No.
Wait, what's your YouTube channel?
Mark,
What is it?
let him put his stuff away. You gonna put it away,
Go
right?
ahead, man.
You're
Go
good?
ahead.
Let him put his stuff away.
We're trying to talk to you, man. We're trying to make
We're
it
staying
easy.
out of your
on you.
way.
And if I did it, look, the simple way is, if I tell you I'm gonna put it away, and then you see me writing it again, then you can act about it. You can do whatever. You can write me a ticket, take me to jail, whatever you want. But come on.
But look. No,
Well,
let me
look,
explain to you.
nothing, man. Go ahead and go,
She already
man.
talked to you
Thank
one
you so
time.
much, sir.
She talked to
I'm
you
not
one
talking
time,
to you,
told
sir.
put
Thank
it
you so
up,
much.
you're still doing it.
Didn't I tell you I was gonna come and put it up?
You did.
So
But
why
we
you-
had
why-
more
so-
calls
so you-
since
so-
then.
so you-
We had, listen to it, sir. We had more calls since then.
Yo, go
Of
find
you driving
them.
down
I don't have
the
a. I didn't call you.
Okay, well look, this is over now. Put the thing up like I asked you to before, and we're
You
done.
ain't asking me
We're
to.
done.
You ain't asking me to do nothing.
We're done. I did ask you to put it up. Okay, so we're done here. Where's
All right.
Go get your truck.
Bye, guys.
We're gonna leave, and then you can.
Bye, guys. Have a good one.
Go get your truck.
All right, guys. Bye. Have a good one. All right. Yep. Suck my dick. Suck my dick, you fucking cracker. Without that badge and that motherfucking strike, you ain't shit. I got you, bro. I got you. Keep playing with me. Yeah. Ooh. Let's narrate. Make sure you check on him. Make sure he leaves when he needs to leave. Yes, I will do that. I will stay here and waste gas money and everything. When they're come and wait for them until I'm gonna harass him until he leaves. I'm gonna make sure I stay here until he leaves. That's his squad card. The one who was telling me, trying to tell me what to do.
And just when you thought it was all over in the last video, think again. This man actually drove back to the police station 3 different times, trying to get justice after officers completely ignored the clear video evidence he gave them. In this next video, he finally confronts the deputy in charge of his case. And what happens next will shock you. Watch until the end to find out whether he finally gets justice or gets brushed off again. And don't forget to comment below what you think really happened in this situation.
How you doing, sir? Good. I'm the one that took your initial report. Yeah, no, I remember you. Okay. Yeah. So you made your initial report. I'm just going through it so you understand where we are.
Yes.
You made your initial report, and at that time, we couldn't find her. We couldn't identify her. Later, the next day, she gave her version of the story to another deputy. And she described the encounter similar to what you described, except she said that you approached her, she didn't know who you were, and she was threatened. You know, a strange man that she doesn't know, you know, like getting that close to her, she didn't know who you were.
Did you see that in the video?
Okay, sir. Your video is just one element of what we include in our investigation. Okay? I don't know what editing went on with that.
There's no editing. The full
okay,
video's there.
sir, I'm just telling you that we don't, you know, like
I get
that
it.
she gave her opinion.
Okay.
You told me what happened. You didn't have any mark or scratch on you.
That doesn't matter. It's irrelevant.
Okay, sir. Your
Sure,
video
I'm
was
not being
your
aggressive.
video. No, I'm trying to tell you.
I've
what
driven
the-
from Broward here 3 times.
Okay.
Have you read her report?
Sir.
Have you read her report? Yes or
I've
no?
read the report that she made to us.
You read her report. This is the report she made to you guys. You
Okay.
read this? That her elbow was broken, that she had marks. Did you see any of that on the video?
Okay.
Did that
Sure.
translate to you in the video that I sent you? The whole video?
No.
Okay. So what's going on?
I'm telling you what's
All
going
right,
on.
go ahead. I'm sorry to interrupt you.
Right. So she gave her report. In your video, it doesn't show her contact. It shows.
You can
like
hear it. It
Okay.
shows it.
Okay.
Her threat and her continuing on with the threat. You can see
Okay.
it. I don't know what video you saw, but you can see
Right.
it.
I'm telling you.
You can hear
that
it.
you cannot see her make any contact with you.
3
You know
times.
that's not true.
That is true. Because why would I have to move to get my phone out of the way if she didn't make any contact?
Okay. You understand what I'm saying?
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
No. This is a conversation, but the thing is that there's an injustice here. No, but there's just an injustice. If the coin was flipped, what would happen, sir? You guys were ready to take me down that day if I didn't have a video. So in real life, what would you do if the coin was flipped? If she called and said that a man did this, appreciate that. So who I called in the first place. Because I've called you 3 times.
Hold on one moment.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
gonna call him, so.
Yes, sir.
A few moments later.
All right, I just wanted to get an explanation of why this is happening and why nothing's being pressed on the matter with the report with this lady.
So I just watched. Apparently, she went to another district, so we know who she is now. So we'll just file a charge on her.
All right. But with all the questions, so that's what it is.
We didn't know who she was.
No, you guys did know last week though.
We knew it. But I think we didn't have all our 14. We just
On
had
the
a phone number
20th,
for her.
because I have the date there when you guys had her number, her address. On the 20th is when you guys had
And
it.
then
Okay.
I was out of town.
It's July 5th now.
You getting a good shot of me?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna file a charge for you now.
So, what charges are being filed?
Just simple battery.
So you guys didn't see anything else in that video other than simple battery?
What do you want?
Well, there's attempted robbery. She's tried to take my phone out of my hand, so if she succeeded, she would have broken it. The phone is worth over $1,000.
Yeah, we're doing simple battery for you.
Okay.
All right.
All right. What else?
We're doing simple battery. for
Simple
you.
battery. So what do I do? That's a misdemeanor, right?
You don't need to do anything. We'll file the charge and state attorney will reach out to you.
Okay. Cool.
You got all
Appreciate
his
it.
14, right?
Yes.
He's in the report?
Yep.
Okay, we got her 14 hours. I guess she went out to another district and filed a report, so now we got everything.
All right. Cool.
Good to go?
Yep.
All right.
Thank you.
Yep.
Hey, Mr. Russell, how come you couldn't do that, sir?
Come on, let's go.
What we've just seen across these 2 videos perfectly shows how ordinary people often have to fight twice. Once for their safety, and again for justice. The man did everything right. He recorded, he stayed calm, he followed the law. Yet the system still made him jump through hoops just to be heard. It really makes you question how many others never get that chance. If you believe people deserve fair treatment and accountability, hit that like button, share this video, and tell us in the comments what you would have done in his situation. And don't forget to subscribe for more real encounters like this, where the truth speaks louder than the badge.